Hey y'all, it's CiCi coming at you with another video. So, I'm going to be doing something super exciting today. We're going to be doing a Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing, and I cannot wait. I do not have very many Jeffree products, but I do have Blue Blood, and his concealer, and I love them both, so I'm super excited. And that's why I was excited to do this, because I could get some things that I normally wouldn't go out my way to purchase, you know. So I have already opened this. Like, I'm not even gonna try and flex and lie to y'all. I opened it as soon as it came into my arms, okay? Like, there was no waiting to do like a true unboxing on camera. I already know what's in here, but I have not tried it on my face yet, but I just couldn't wait. So this is what it looks like when you first get it. I did get the premium, and it was $45, a little over $50 including shipping. This is what it looks like on the inside. And what I've got in here, we'll start with the pop socket. I've got a little orange pop socket here, which I'm pretty excited for. I actually think I might be giving this to my mom, just because my phone already has like a built-in pop socket. My phone case does, so... Anyways, there's the pop socket. Super fun. Cool. Next thing I got is one of his liquid frosts, which I'm very excited for. I think you can see it good. And this is in the shade Crown Jewel, and I cannot wait. It looks very dark on camera, but I'm kind of hoping that it'll sheer out a little bit when I put it on my face, you know? So, yeah. We're going to be trying that. And then... next thing I got one of his velour liquid lips in the shade Doll Parts. And I cannot wait, because this is actually like a pink, like a pretty pink color. And I don't have very many pink lipsticks at all. So that is really cool, because I don't want a bunch of stuff I already have, you know. This is the mystery shade that's only being included in these mystery boxes. And it's a really pretty color, honestly. I'm excited. It's another pinky shade. Not going to complain, because I never wear pink lipstick. I don't have much of it. And then another pink, you guessed it. But this is actually one of the lip ammunitions. So it's like the actual lipstick. And it's in the shade Ice Cream Boulevard. And it's like a pretty good color pink. So yeah. And, you know, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but... your girl is rocking some pink hair. So it's like perfect, you know. Also, my girl Tyler Ernest did it, so gotta give her that quick little shout out, because she is the best. She's one of my really good friends, and yeah. Okay, let me stop flexing my hair, but I love it. I feel like I'm wearing a wig. But back to what you came here for. Jeffree. What's the tea on Jeffree? We'll see. What should we start with? Should we start with, I think we should start with the illuminator, or not the illuminator, the highlighter, the liquid frost, because that's just what I'm like the most excited for. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to try and do just a quick little swatch so you guys can see. And like I said, this is the shade Crown Jewel, which I think it's going to be, this is what it looks like. It looks really dark, but I think it's going to sheer out a little once it's on my skin. That is my hope. Let's see, let me put it on this arm. Oh God, that was a lot. I'm scared. I just put so much on. Oh, but it's pretty. I literally just... you guys, you're gonna freaking laugh so hard when you see how much I just put on. This was such an accident. How did I... and you can't even freaking see it. You guys, please, who let me swatch? Like, seriously, someone needs to take this from me. I'm just rubbing it all the way in, and now my arm is like really sparkly. It's okay. Okay, let's put this on our face, you guys. Let's just go for it. So, be careful with this little droppy thing, because a lot will come out. I don't want to do too much again. I'm scared. There we go. Okay, there we go. I don't even know. I don't use a lot of, like, liquid highlighters like this, so I'm kind of nervous. Also kind of nervous that this is going to be too dark. As you can see, it's pretty dark. But let's just go on in with it. Maybe it'll sheer out a little. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna put it on the beauty sponge and go in. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. And this is actually my first time using a Jeffree highlight. I don't own any of his not the powder ones or the liquids. So this is like, wow. That's actually kind of like perfect for my skin tone. I thought it was going to be too dark, but it did sheer out. But not to where it totally goes away. So there's with nothing. And boom. There it is. That is really pretty, you guys. Y'all need this. Every single person watching needs this. Honestly, like, you can't really tell on camera, but the way that it looks on my arm where I rubbed it in is really pretty. So you could really very easily use this as like a body highlight as well. Which I don't have any body highlights, and I've never done that before, so I'm kind of excited to try that with this. Oh my goodness, you guys. This stuff is the tea. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. I'm being goofy. Put a little boop on the nose. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, who is she? Okay, sorry. I'm really just acting brand new with this hair because I love it so much. We bleached the crap out of my hair, you guys. Do not try that at home. But it worked, so it's fine. I mean, Tyler's a licensed cosmetologist, so am I, but we did do it at my house at like midnight last night. Old-fashioned style, you know. So I do really, really love this. And also another thing I'm going to say about his mystery boxes this time around is that it seems like, because last time he did them, I don't know if you guys saw, it seemed like he put a lot of the same things in everyone's boxes and everyone was kind of like a little bit mad about it. This time I've seen a lot more variety from the videos I've watched and some of my friends that ordered them as well. It seems like he did put different things in them this time, so that's really good. I did have someone ask me how often he does this. I want to say he does it once a year, I think. So, anyways, next thing we're going to go ahead and do is use the mystery shade. I am excited to do that. And it comes in the pretty green summer packaging, which is pretty cool. And then it has the green lid, like his summer collection stuff does too. So it's very pink, as you can see. I don't wear a lot of pink, but I'm finna start with this pink here, honey. Honey. Okay. I have a bunch of Carmex on my lips because I knew I was going to be trying on 3 different lipsticks and I was going to have to like be putting it on and removing it or whatever. So, yeah. It says shake well before use. Look at me following the instructions. I've never used a Jeffree liquid lip though, so this is exciting. Let's see. I don't have a mirror because I really just came prepared today. So, whatever. Oh, wow. It's pretty. Oh, that is a fun color. I like that. Oh. Okay. I love it. I never wear pink lipstick. And I don't know why. Because this looks really awesome. It's like, you start to put it on and first you're like, oh, this is kind of too bright. I don't really know. I saw that in Cole's World video. He put it on. He was like, I don't like it. And then by once it kind of settled in and he got used to it, he really loved it. And that's kind of how I'm feeling about it. I like it. Yep. So that is the one from, that's just in mystery boxes. This is called Question Mark. It literally just has a question mark where the name is supposed to go. So cool stuff. I think the next thing I'm going to do is the lip ammunition. This is so light, you guys. So what I am going to do, I'm not going to put that just straight up on my lips because that's just not going to look good. And I want to be able to give you an honest like review on it as far as the way I plan on wearing it. I don't want to just make it look bad on purpose. So I'm going to put it over top of this. This is his lip ammunition. It's like in the shape of like a little bullet, which is so cool. And this is what it looks like. Girl, let me put this down. She is pink, okay? So that's why I wasn't just going to straight up put that on my lips because I would look so bad. It would look too light on me. So let's go. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so it does feel good on my lips. I've never tried one of his lip ammunitions either. I don't know if I like this color or not. It might be one that has to grow on me. I don't know. I don't think I like this color. I mean, it's not a bad color. It's just for, I think for my skin tone, it may be a bit too light. But, you know, it'd be like that sometimes. I don't know what's with these poses. I think it's because of my hair. I'm just like, look at me. Anyways, yeah, I don't like this color. It ain't for me. This ain't the one, Chief. So this is called Ice Cream Boulevard. I think it'd be really beautiful on lighter skin tones. I just don't think it's the tea for me. It's not the tea. I can't even imagine what this would look like if I would have put it just on my lips and not over top of the other one. She would have been looking rusted, crusted, and dusted. I don't think that's how that was supposed to go, but you know, that's fine. These are just makeup wipes. I'm gonna wipe this off now. And then we'll go in with doll parts. Okay, so I'm back. Oh, I was gonna put more Carmex on. Oh my gosh, y'all. My Carmex is way over there. Just say a prayer for my lips. They're gonna be so dry after this. Lord, sweet baby Jesus. It's fine. So we're gonna go on in with doll parts. It's like a darker pink. This one I do think I'm gonna really enjoy, which is kind of why I saved it for last, because I can wear it for the rest of the day probably. So that'll be awesome. Y'all, I'm still shook about this highlight. I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be really pretty. Let's lean on in. Manually zoom. Oh, yes. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite lippy that I got in the box. Yep, I love that. I love it. I love that. Okay. Let's see if I can get close so you can see. Yeah, I like it. It looks really good with the makeup I did for the day. I tried to do something pink and on theme, because I actually just did this to my hair last night. So yeah, this is new for me. That's why I'm like checking it out in the camera, like flipping it around, just because this is new to me and to you. So yeah, I'm like just checking it out. Also want to note that this right here is different packaging than the other one I got. It's got the the normal Jeffree Star pink up top, and the other one had the green top. Don't know if you guys care about that. I do, because I think it's pretty cool to have different packaging on them. I don't know. But yeah. That is everything that I got in my premium mystery box. I am happy with it. I really wanted to get the deluxe, but they were sold out because I didn't order it until like 30 minutes after they went up. So the deluxes were sold out, but what can you do? But I did get my premium in, and I'm glad I got to show you guys what I received in my premium. I really like it. I think it's a great deal. I paid $45 for it, and I mean, obviously 3 lips and a highlight is worth well more than that from Jeffree Star, so you do get a good deal. And I actually got wearable stuff in this one. Like last year when he did them, I know that he was sending out like green, bright pink highlighters, and people were like, I mean, it's a mystery box, so you can't really complain, but I mean, at least give you something that's wearable, you know. So everything I received is very pretty and is very wearable. So if you want one next time he does the mystery box, I do recommend getting it. I mean, it's super fun. It's awesome to unbox it and see what it is you got, whatever. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much all I have to say. Me and my pink hair. Y'all, have y'all ever seen Lazy Town? Have you? We'll insert a picture of this girl. I look exactly like her with my pink hair, and like I'm living for it. Please don't look at my dead ends. Please don't look at them. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I think I'm gonna serve you guys some looks at the very end, just because I'm feeling myself today. Feeling it. I feel like I have different hair in every video. I definitely do, but it's fine. I'm going to serve you guys some looks at the end, and I'll be wearing this lippy doll parts in it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, do it all. Follow my social medias, all that fun stuff. It'll all be linked down below. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.